Hi and welcome to this video. If you are a subscriber of my channel, you may have noticed that I didn't publish videos for quite a long time. This is because I have been building up different channels, but now I thought it is the right time to start again. So thanks if you have been staying subscribed to my channel. And because I'm using AI now much more on a consistent basis, I thought it's a good idea to just show you what I'm doing every day. Today, I want to show you how to use Gamma. Gamma is a tool which will automatically generate your presentations for you. I use that for my presentations every day, and I was fascinated how well that works. Let's jump into the topic and see what we can do. Today's task is that I want to have a presentation for my video. I need some slides where I can talk over when I do my video for my other channel. If you want to see the results of the outcome of the presentation video, just click on the link below. I will link my other channel there. It's called Block 7. It's about crypto. The crypto field and the AI field are actually very close to each other. And we will very soon see that AIs are using cryptocurrencies to interact with the internet or the other agents automatically. They don't have to ask for permission. They have their money online. They can exchange it. But let's jump into the topic of today's video. I wanted to make a video and I wanted to make it as easy as possible for me. So I went out and I watched a lot of videos. Let me share my screen with you so you have an idea what I'm talking about. This video is from George Gaiman, and he's talking about how these new Trump accounts are going into the direction of a CBTC. I don't want to talk about this topic, but I just want to show you what I do. I find this video, I watched the video, I found it quite good. Then I just copy the URL here. I then jump over to a tool that will help me to transcribe. So you just put in the URL here and get free transcription. You will see this is exactly the video that we want, and you can just copy here the transcript. Now we jump into Gamma. Gamma is a really nice tool. It has got this interface where you can see on the left side, you have AI images, you can build websites, you can build regular slides, which are called Gammas here. I've created quite a lot of slides already using Gamma, and I use it every day now. If I want to create a simple slide, I will decide in our case now to pass in text because I have the transcript. You can also click here and then you just have a prompt. So one line that you can just prompt in. You also can import from a website. You can just go ahead and find the content of a website and get a presentation out of it. You can upload and import from Drive, and you can upload regular files. In our case, we will click now here on Past Text. We just simply passed all the transcript in there. Now we have to be careful what output we want. We could generate a website, a document, or even posts for social media out of it, but I don't want that in the moment. What I want to do is I want to generate a presentation, and I want to have a nice 16:9 presentation. So I change it here to traditional. I click on continue. We wait a little. So now the system is analyzing the content. You see here, it's the prompt editor. I could edit some more stuff. It's not really a nice prompt, but you will see the outcome is quite well. Here you can decide what you want to do. Like the text content will just leave on condense. So it will make a nice slides for me. The text per card, I will bring back to medium. If you have very good knowledge about the topic, it's also good when it's brief. If you don't have much knowledge about the topic, I would suggest that you have detailed, because then you can read a little of the word. My knowledge in crypto is quite good, so I leave it on medium because I don't have so much knowledge about what just happened with this new Trump accounts. I will leave it like that. You can select the image, you can select the language and the format. Here I leave it in English. with the images, I will tell you later on. There are image generating models that are still able to generate images, for example, of Trump. We will use Gamma also to create our thumbnail for the video. And you will see it is able to generate a thumbnail using Trump's face. So this really looks like Trump. Most of the other models will not allow you that anymore. A lot of models here. You have the Flux Fast, you have Image 3 Fast, you have a Luma model, you have the Integram model, you have Leonardo model, Luna model, DALL-E models, here the ChatGPT models, Recraft, you have a lot of image models. So this is another way that you can actually save money. You can generate social media posts and images in here. From the perspective of the cards, I will pick, I don't want to make it too long, I will pick 10 cards here. And then I would be able to additionally put in some instructions here. I'm not doing that at the moment, so I just leave it like that and press continue. Then I can pick a theme. It's suggesting a theme that fits in the AI's imagination, but I always use the same one. For my presentations, I change it here to light and click on comments. It's this theme, it has green buttons. I like the style. And then I just click on generate. You will see it's immediately starting to think about how the presentation will look like. And you will see that the first slide will be generated very fast. It's first generating all the content, and then it's adding the images. So it's writing already, you see Trump accounts, a path to central, blah, 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 blah. It's writing already all the content. It's really taking the best things out of the video, putting in our presentations. We have already now the 4th image here. We have the 5th slide. It's already half of it. And if I scroll up here, you see that already images are generated. They're not displayed now, they're displayed. And I could have told in the prompt that I want to have images from Trump. I will do that afterwards to show you how you can actually swap out images. Let's have a look what we got now. We have this slide. We have the Federal Reserve here. We have quite nice images here. Also, this is nice because it's showing a newborn and it's really relevant. Here they are making quite nice charts here. They have the historical image generated, which is very nice. Everything is very fine here. This is also very nice, the image. So I'm happy with that. But what I want to have is I want to switch out this image. So we'll just click here on the image and say edit image or ask AI to. And then I say, give me an image of Trump. Think about what's going on and also understand the context. And then it will on the fly generate the image of Trump. You see, it's very good. Don't you think so? It's a very nice image. So we could even swap out the images, but I think this is perfect. Also, the look on his face is perfect. You can go ahead and change everything in the presentation. You can click on these dots here. You will be able to format it in a different way. You can generally modify everything here by saying, make it longer, make it shorter, simpler language, be more specific, and so on. This will modify the whole presentation, and you can always click on this button here or this icon here to improve the slide itself. You can also modify the style. So you could say you want to have the layout in a different style. You want to edit the image. You want to have full bleed cards, and you can modify everything. You can also change here the setup of the page. You can change the format. You can change the font size. So you have really loads of options to change everything. There's a nice preview as well. If I click here on present, it will give me a nice preview, and I can click on spotlight and click on full screen. And what will happen then is that I just use my mouse cursors. If I press right, the next content will appear and the next slide will come, and I have a very nice way to present the slides. So I really like that. Let's jump back. If you want to change any other factors, like I said, you can add stuff, you can add pages here, you can modify pages. There's everything you can do. You can pick a layout, you can restructure something. If you don't like the layout, you can have different graphs. You can also ask it to make it more clear. What I do sometimes is if I have the feeling it doesn't really explain what the user is looking for, I will just click on the AI and say, make sure to improve or rename this or that, or put the numbers on the charts. Something I have experienced is sometimes you're getting these charts, which will just be like charts showing some numbers. And in the presentation, so if you're in presentation mode, it will show you can hover over with your mouse and it will show you all the data. If you download it as a PDF and show it, then if you hover over it, doesn't show you anything. Sometimes I ask the Gamma AI to put the numbers on the images or on the chart so I can see it and can present it. This was the first step. You can, of course, also share it here. You can just click it, share it, export it, embed it. It's really nice. If I want to export it, I just click here. I have the options to export it as PDF, export it to a PowerPoint presentation, export it as Google Slide and PNG. You can all directly post it to LinkedIn. How to generate a YouTube thumbnail, I will show you in my next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I will try to make some more videos, like 1, 2, 3 videos a week, depending how much time I have. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like below, and also check out my other channel if you want to. You will find the link to my crypto channel below. I see you. Take care. All the best. Bye-bye. Thank you.